BJP spokesperson Sambit, Patra, speaking exclusively to Nnis, has said that the AAP ad, which had turned controversial, had failed on three bold points. He dissected the issue for us.
Now, as far as the advertisement of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, it clearly falls on three lines. Number one fault is that despite the fact that the Supreme Court has passed a recent order, the meaning of the basic essence of the Supreme Court judgment is that a person should not glorify himself on public money. And what's happening in the Aam Aadmi Party advertisement is Mr. Kejriwal has been glorified. They do not talk about the Delhi government's achievement. And this is on public exchequer's money. So it in fact violates the Supreme Court ruling. Secondly, it falls on the very fact that Mr. Kejriwal recently stated that the Delhi government has no money for the Safai Karmachari's salary. And we have seen that thousands and lakhs of Safai Karmachari in Delhi were suffering, and they were not getting the salary for 4 months. They are spending money through advertisements, thousands of crores of rupees. Is this something which is good? And thirdly, it falls on the line that women have been portrayed in a wrong framework. I mean, the way they have projected a woman over here, that she's only there to look after the husband and to do the household chores. I mean, though we agree that things have to improve, but this change of mind has to be right from the top. That's from the government. And the Aam Aadmi Party projects women in such a way, it's in bad taste. Just because they have a mandate does not mean they have the mandate to disobey the Supreme Court. Just because they have a mandate, they don't have a mandate not to pay salaries to the Safai Karmacharis and use that money otherwise. Just because they have a mandate, it does not mean that they should portray women in a different light. Suggestions from the opposition party should always be welcome, because that is what is positive politics, and Mr. Ashutosh should understand the meaning of positive. Rather than protesting in front of Sushma ji's house, the Aam Aadmi Party should have protested in front of Mr. Nnis' house for having oversped and jumped the red light, despite the fact that the police tried to stop his car. Reeking of VVIP racism, he did not do so. So the Aam Aadmi Party, which had always spoken against VIP culture, today reeks of VIP culture, and that's the reason as to why the core Aam Aadmi Party Karyakarta should today be in front of Mr. Nnis' gate protesting.
Powered by Nnis.